Hello, this is our before after image slider app. All slider are managed in this page. So added a new slider, but all features are locked right now because this app is fully pro version. So you need to go the profile and choose the manage subscription and which plan you want to buy, go for it. So I go for it some monthly plan and give your card details and choose pay now. After complete your payment, you can see this page. So you can see purchase date, your in date, and recurring payment is automatic right now. You can see the manage billing, cancel, and update your plan in future if you want to go for yearly or lifetime. So in right now, all settings are unlocked. So there are 7 type of templates we are see in our slider. So suppose we are go for right now in default settings. So the first slider is added right now. The slider is fully responsive. You can see the fully responsive slider. So first of all, we are added a new image there. So added a new image. The first image that, and we are added a second image right now. Okay, so user can edit there the dark mode and in other filters also. Lot of customization filter there for the pictures and change the alt text also and change the opacities also and the blur of the image effect. And user can control the slider initial state and the slider is horizontal or vertical. It also can control the user and there also some level if users want to show the level before after or customization level they can also change those and also they can change the levels positions also and customization the color level colors. Suppose we want to give there some blue color and also text color they can change, font size change, everything they can change. Okay, and user can also change the handlers also. This is the handler and user can change the customization color. Suppose we are giving this line in orange color and wheel color also orange and they control also the opacities, line opacities and handle opacities also they can customization and there is the moving effect. If user want to in preview this those kind of things they can see. Suppose we go to the preview in Premiere, we can see the slider is automatic moving for the this effect. Yes, and user can edit also with our app those things, customizations also they can manage there also and there also. So if user need any help and facing any problem they can go our contact us for our supports.